Welcome back to Fixing Expert. In today's video, we're getting into the festive spirit as we share 50 incredible office Christmas decorating ideas that will transform your workspace into a winter wonderland. Whether you work in a small cubicle or a spacious office, we've got you covered with creative and budget-friendly ideas. So, let's jump right in. 1. Hang candy canes. 2. Transform desks into gingerbread house. 3. Hang Christmas boots on the walls. 4. Make a snowman. 5. Decorate the door with Christmas wreath. 6. Cover the ceiling with stars. 7. Make paper Santas. 8. Get playful with balloons. 9. Stripe ribbon welcome gate. 10. Layer up the office with streamers. 11. Dangle Santa stockings. 12. Light up the workplace. 13. Festive floral arrangements. 14. Decorate the office walls. 15. Decorate the office floor for Christmas. 16. Accessorize the twig tree. 17. Christmas window decorations. 18. Hang pictures of employees. 19. Use pine cone as ornaments. 20. Consider using pom-poms. 21. Craft bird ornaments. 22. DIY deer cups. 23. Hang mini wreaths. 24. Christmas chair adornments. 25. Turn mittens into an advent calendar. 26. Add Christmas sparkle. 27. Make a snowy wreath. 28. Top the Christmas tree with bells. 29. Gift wrapping. 30. Sweets and treats. 31. Nutcracker suite. 32. 12 Days of Christmas. 33. Decoration grab bag. 34. Cozy cabins. 35. Choose teams. 36. Decorations for reception area. 37. Tinsel town. 38. Office corner arrangement. 39. White Christmas trees. 40. Coffee table centerpiece. 41. Brass ring wreath. 42. Making mini trees. 43. Line candle jars. 44. Garland accents. 45. Jumbo outdoor lights. 46. Snowflakes presents. 47. Hangings. 48. Rope lights. 49. Festive banner. 50. Christmas chair covers. We hope you found inspiration to transform your workspace into a festive haven this holiday season.